Today, the subject is intonation. First thing to remember is that your guitar should be in tune with itself before you try to adjust your intonation. So once you're ready to adjust, you strum the open note and then you press straight down on the 12th fret. If while pressing on the 12th fret it is sharp, you will adjust the saddle away from the nut. If it reads flat, you'll adjust it toward the nut. In essence, you're adjusting it the opposite way that would make sense to you in your mind. At least for me, it works that way. So from there, you just repeat the sequence. I typically like to start on the lower notes and work my way up, as that's how I tune my guitar anyway. Now we're doing the same to the A and the D string. A lot of times you'll find out that it's fairly close or in. Sometimes they're way out. Now, if all of them are way out, I would adjust them in. And if they go back out after they've been adjusted, you may have some other issue. Either your nut's loose or it's fractured or something. It could be a multitude of things. But in this video, we're strictly doing intonation. So this guitar doesn't have any of those issues. So basically, I had a couple notes that were out intonation-wise, and you can always tell when you're playing a chord and moving around the fretboard. If the chord sounds out and you didn't do a lot of bending with your tremolo, it's a good indication that your intonation needs to be adjusted. Prior to this also, you just want to make sure that your action's good. You don't have any fret buzzes up and down the fretboard. And if you don't, it's this simple. That's it. This guitar is now adjusted. Hey, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.